Good morning. This is Dr. Robert McGrath. I'm the medical director at Juventix Regenerative Medical of Tampa, Florida. I thought it was very important after reading an article this morning that I talked to you about microneedling with PRP. Unfortunately, this procedure called the quote vampire facial was coined many years ago by Dr. Charles Runnels of Fairhope, Alabama, who invented the procedure in the facelift. There has been an outbreak of infections which came to the attention of Public Health Service around 2018. They had undergone a vampire facial at a New Mexico spa in the spring of 2018. Unfortunately, there has been a few other people who have tested positive after having a vampire facial at that clinic. When that clinic was scrutinized, they found blood that was sitting in refrigerators next to food, syringes strewn all over the place. They basically found devices that were not approved, and the people who even did the procedure were not licensed. Those people have been sanctioned. They have received a jail time. The vampire facial itself, when done by a licensed physician in sterile conditions, using your own blood and an acceptable FDA-approved PRP kit, is safe and effective. The article that's quoted by the NBC News states that the American Academy of Dermatology states that vampire microneedling is neither positive nor negative. I have been involved with many clinicians doing this procedure throughout the United States, and I really do not have anything negative to say about it. I'm actually living proof. I have had this done on my own face, and I'm very happy with the results. So again, when you go out and you are going to get microneedling, especially with PRP, which is your own autologous blood, please ask your clinician, is this an FDA-approved kit? Are the centrifuges regulated? Are they basically registered with the FDA? Are we doing this under a sterile condition? Ask these questions. It's your right to ask them. This is Dr. Robert McGrath. I am the medical director at Juventix Regenerative Medical. We manufacture PRP kits that are FDA approved. So regenerative regards, and I hope you have a great day.